Let's talk about American English time idioms. We have a lot of idioms and expressions in English. Studying them will help you to be a more fluent and better English speaker. So let's get started with number 1. Ticking time bomb. Ticking time bomb. When someone is a ticking, tick, 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 tick time bomb, they are ready to explode with anger. Yeah. So you can say, my boss is a ticking time bomb. I never know when he is going to explode and yell at me. That happens. Number 2, to be on borrowed time. To be on borrowed time. So if you're unfortunately someone who is very ill and you know that you're not on this earth for very much longer, but you keep living and living year after year, it's like you're borrowing time to live longer. You are on borrowed time. Now, you can also say that for, let's say you're in trouble at work, but your boss doesn't fire me. He doesn't say, you're fired. But you are on borrowed time before your boss replaces you with someone else. That's never a good feeling. Number 3, time is running out. Time is running out. That means you will have no more time soon. So, time is running out. Get this free offer for free English lessons. There we go, for free English lessons while the offer lasts. Now, while I'm talking about that, if you are interested in some free English coaching, just let me know. I'm offering that for free, but time is running out. Really, I am. So you can email me, and my email is in the description if you are interested in some one-on-one free English coaching, and I can help you with that. Let's go on to number 4. It's a race against time. It's a race against time. So you're at work. You don't have much time left to finish your project. So it's a race to get your project completed. It's a race against time. These are all great expressions that you can use too. Number 5. I thought of this the other day. Okay, here it is. You can set your watch. It's always watch, not clock. You can set your watch to it. So what happened was this. Every October, the month is like summer here in Texas. But by usually the last week of October, it begins to get very cold. You can set your watch to it. That's like saying you can set your alarm clock to it. Like ding-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding. It's the last week of October. And then Mother Nature says, it's time to be cold. Yeah, you can set your watch to it. Old expression, but still true. Still true. Okay, number 6. It's like clockwork. It's like clockwork. So, you can say, my boss always comes back from work at the same time. It's like clockwork every day. Now, you would not say my boss comes home at lunch like clockwork. I guess you could, couldn't you? My boss comes home like clockwork. Or my boss comes back to work like clockwork every day. I guess you could say that. Let's mix it up. How would you say it? Like clockwork. I get up every morning at 5 a.m. like clockwork. That means same time every day. Well, it's an expression we do use, not too often, but we do use it. And you can use it too. Yes, you can. Number 7, time tested. Yeah, it lasts the test of time, or it's time tested. So something that is very, very good. Let's say, like my hat. Let's say I bought a special hat. This hat has always been good forever and ever and ever. It has lasted the test of time. My hat is time tested. And number 8, I love this one. Frozen in time. Like that. Okay. This reminds me of a story. I used to work with elderly people in a retirement home. And one day I was sitting with these old folks, these elderly people. They were in their 80s and they were 90 years old. They were very up there. I don't want to say old, just up there. And we were watching an old show called Lawrence Welk. Lawrence Welk. Now, if you don't know Lawrence Welk, he had a show where different bands and musicians would come and sing songs. But this was from the 1970s, and it was an old show. But all these old people thought it was a new show because I said something like, oh, this is an old show. And they looked at me, no, it's not. This is new. Well, they were wearing 1970s clothes and 1970s hair. But it was like these elderly people were frozen in time and never made it to the 1990s. That's when I worked there, the 1990s. They were frozen in time. All right, my wonderful, wonderful friends, thank you so much. I want to give a shout out to one of my students. His name is Lee. Hi, Lee. And if you're watching, Lee, hit that like button. I hope you do. Okay, American English Time Idioms. If you have any questions about this topic, please let me know in the comments. Which time idiom did you like the best? I'm Ma Shelley. You have a fantastic day. And I hope that time treats you right. I will see you tomorrow.